Disabling keyboard vibration on the Pixel 9 helps conserve battery life and creates a quieter, less distracting typing experience. Here's how it's done. First, you'll need to head into your phone's settings to adjust the keyboard settings. So start by opening the Settings app. Once you're there, scroll down and tap on System. Under the System menu, look for Keyboard, then go to On-Screen Keyboard. Since Pixel devices use Gboard as the default keyboard, tap on Gboard to access its settings. In the Gboard settings, you'll want to tap on Preferences. Scroll down until you find and tap the option labeled Haptic Feedback on key press. Once you see it, simply toggle that option off. Now your phone will no longer vibrate each time you type on the keyboard. If you're using a different Android device, don't worry. You can still easily find your keyboard settings. Open the Settings app on your phone, then use the search bar at the top and type in Keyboard. From the search results, select Keyboard, which will take you to your keyboard settings. Depending on which keyboard you're using, find the Preferences or Options section and look for haptic feedback or vibration on key press to turn it off. That's all there is to it. Leave your comments or questions below, and good luck adjusting your keyboard settings to suit your preferences.